Today, we're checking out Video to Blog, an AI content repurposer that transforms YouTube videos into blogs with high-quality visuals, links, and metadata. With Video to Blog, you can easily transform YouTube videos into written content in seconds. When I say easy, I'm talking easy. All you gotta do is paste your video URL and click Create Blog. In just a few seconds, you'll get a well-structured and readable piece of content that's ready to publish. That's just the basics. When you hop into the advanced options, you can select your preferred AI model, customize word length, select your language, or choose premium transcription for the highest quality AI transcription and generation. You can also customize the tone and point of view, automatically pull in links from the video's description, generate SEO metadata, create promos for email and social media, as well as a table of contents, FAQ section, and a custom footer. That's a lot of stuff. It'll even add video screenshots, generated images, and stock images. Now, if you want to include something super specific, just scroll down to the additional instructions box and let the AI know. Once you're done proofreading and editing your blog, I recommend clicking Content Analyzer before pushing it live. With this, the AI will analyze for readability, AI detection, content structure, and key phrase scores. From there, you've got loads of sharing options, like public links, HTML, Word docs, and PDFs. You can also publish straight to WordPress, Blogger, and social media. If you're looking for a faster way to convert video content into engaging written content, click that Buy Now button to start using Video to Blog today.